Today, I'm going to show you how to Inpaint in Krita step by step so you can remove unwanted objects from an image and let Krita fill the area naturally. This is a super useful technique if you want to clean up a photo, remove distractions, or fix small imperfections without starting over. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Krita guides. First, open your image in Krita and take a look at the layers docker. Before you do anything else, make sure you select the target layer you want to work on. This is important because the inpainting will only affect the active layer, so choosing the right one helps you avoid editing the wrong part of your project. Next, go to the Toolbox panel and click the Smart Patch tool icon. This is the tool Krita uses for this kind of content-aware repair. Once the Smart Patch tool is selected, you're ready to set up the tool properly before painting over the area you want to remove. Now, open the Tool Options docker. Here, you'll find a couple of settings that can make a big difference in the result. Start by adjusting the accuracy slider. Higher accuracy can help Krita match surrounding details more closely, while lower settings may be faster or work better in simpler areas. You'll also want to set the patch radius. This controls how much surrounding information Krita uses when filling the selected area, so it can affect how smooth and natural the final result looks. Before you start painting, it's a good idea to adjust your brush size. You can do this quickly using the bracket keys on your keyboard. Use the left bracket to make the brush smaller and the right bracket to make it larger. Try to match the brush size to the object you want to remove so you can cover it efficiently without affecting too much of the surrounding image. Once your settings are ready, paint directly over the object you want to remove. You don't need to be overly precise, but you do want to cover the full area of the object so Krita has enough information to replace it cleanly. As you paint, make sure you include the unwanted object completely, especially around the edges. After you finish the brush stroke, simply release it. Krita will process the area and automatically apply the content replacement fill. This is the inpainting step, and it's where the software analyzes the surrounding pixels and tries to rebuild the selected area in a way that blends with the rest of the image. If the result looks good, you're done. If it needs a little improvement, you can undo and try again with a different brush size or a slightly different patch radius. Inpainting often works best with a few quick tests, especially when the background has texture, patterns, or complex details. So that's how to inpaint in Krita using the Smart Patch tool. It's a simple but powerful way to remove objects and clean up images fast. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Krita tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software tip you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.